This video is about how to assemble and put together the TrekPak dividing system for your Pelican 1510 case. The first thing we do is we lay out our tools the way we want them for our system. So I've got these laid out. I've got some space there, there, and here. So we're going to see if we can cut to that. We've got the equipment here. We've got the dividers here. We've got a cutting tool, some Velcros, the pins that keep everything in place. So it looks like our main divider here that's going to be pieced. So we got a piece here. So this one's going to go all the way across. So let's measure that one first. 10 1/8 inches. So we want to take one of the shorter ones. To here. So we can use this piece here to go inside the hole here, like this. It says measure twice, so let's make sure our measurement's still good. That's a little long, let's go one shorter. Hey, it's a little short. I would rather go a little long than short. We're going to go that route. So it says here we should be able to pull this through. We don't want to pull it with anything safety wise. So let's go ahead and pull. We'll pull down. Take the metal clips. Measure this one. So this has got some give and take, so we can go 6 3/4 inches. Oh. This one's 6 3/4 inches. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Need a piece here and a piece here. I want to protect my goggles. Keep this metal and long pieces separate. I've got 3 pieces left, right? So if I use this one here, then I'm going to have to cut into one of these. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and use one long one. Keep one long one if I decide to change the configuration in the future. 12 inches. All right, mark with our finger. There's 12 inches. So what we'll do, we'll put this here. We'll measure again. They say measure twice. Okay, it's a little bit longer than 12 inches, but that's what we want. Easily to cut. Oh, that's nice. Measure. 6 3/4 inches. So 6 3/4 inches is there. Let's double check. Can be more if it needs be. Perfect.